Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the world are observing India's Republic Day today as a Black Day amid complete strike in occupied Kashmir in protest against India's persistent denial of their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, call for the observance of the Black Day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat organizations. Complete strike is being observed today in occupied Kashmir on the Indian Republic Day, January 26. According to Kashmir Media Service, the aims of the shutdown is to convince the international community that India's claim of being a democratic country is completely misleading. The shops and business centers are closed in Srinagar and other towns, while the traffic on the roads is very thin. As the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha continues to attack the regional parties in his speeches, the People's Democratic Party hit back, saying that the Lieutenant Governor has launched a full-fledged elections campaign for the Bharatiya Janata Party. According to Kashmir Media Service, PDP spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said, "One would have expected Manoj Sinha to rise above the political matters." Elected representatives of the Ladakh and influential Buddhist organization in the region have strongly opposed the Modi-led Indian government's move to rename the territory's health centers as Ayushman Arogya Mandirs. According to Kashmir Media Service, the move involves rebranding Ayushman Bharat Healthcare and Wellness Centers as Ayushman Arogya Mandirs. Pakistan's permanent representative to the United Nations Ambassador Munir Akram has strongly condemned the recent inauguration of the Ram Temple on the demolished Babri Masjid site and expressed commitment for effectively highlighting the gross rights violations by India in occupied Kashmir and temple issue at every global forum. According to Kashmir Media Service, Munir Akram has said this while talking to a private news channel today.